Hi guys, my name is Tyler Wilkins, coming to you today from on board a new Carver C-52 yacht. I'm drifting just in the playpen in Chicago, Illinois. I am heading from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, where I left this morning, down to Fort Myers, Florida on a brand new yacht. I bought two new products to try with me. I am not a photo guy. I am not an action camera guy. I'm not anything. I'm very much an amateur. Couldn't decide whether to buy the GoPro Max or the Hero 9, so I bought them both. I'm going to play with them all over the next couple weeks as I head down the Mississippi River on this yacht and see which one I like better. So I just thought I'd do an unboxing video. Those seem to be pretty popular. Again, I don't really know much. It was a last-minute stop at Best Buy to pick up a new action camera. I've been using a Hero 3 forever, and I just figured this trip would be a good time to upgrade. So starting out with the Hero 9, comes in a nice case, cord, really nice, kind of little compartment, keeps everything real easy. A little bigger, a little heavier than my Hero 3 that I'm used to. That's obviously ancient technology. Really like that. It's got the, again, I'm an amateur, I don't know what things are called, the mounts on the bottom here that flip out, so I don't need to slide a mount on it every time. It can just go right into that. Kind of love that. I'm going to put some mounts outside the boat and do a bunch of cool stuff on this trip and really just spend some time getting to know this, learning it, and sharing what I find with you people out there. Comes with a single battery. I also bought the dual battery charger so that I could have two batteries and have a separate charger, so if I have this thing on the outside of the yacht, I don't have to pull it in to charge the battery and plug it in. I wanted a separate charger, so I have that. I don't know what else to say. Pretty simple. Not a lot of extra crap. Pretty straightforward. Can't wait to start shooting some videos with it today. The Max is obviously, what drew me to that is a 360 camera. I do have a good 360 camera I use. But I just thought, you know, if I carried this one GoPro and it did everything, maybe I wouldn't have to carry my 360 and everything else. So we'll see. I'm gonna check it out and see if maybe it would be great to have one camera that does kind of everything I want to do. One thing I notice right away is there is a fourth little spot there, so it's a little different, whereas this has three of these upright things. This one has four. Obviously it's a beefier, heavier camera, so that makes sense. Lens on both ends for shooting 360. Forward-facing screen, that's pretty cool. It'll be interesting to see how well that works. Let's see what else is in this box. I have questions. This is more what I was thinking. A lot more stuff, a lot more unboxing. That Hero wasn't much to unbox. I got to keep an eye on it. I'm not anchored. I'm just kind of drifting here, and I'm the only one on board, so I got to keep an eye on my surroundings. Lots of manuals, lots of reading material. It'd be great if all the necessary stuff kind of fit in that Hero 9 box. A nice little case. Oh, looks like some lens covers or protective things. Not exactly sure what those are. Those are just protective. You're supposed to use them all the time, or just for water. I got some reading to do. And what else? Okay, there's some covers, obviously lens covers. Those must be the protective ones. I wonder if the clear ones were for water or something. And a battery, cord. Looks like a curved mount. I don't know that I'll necessarily use that on this trip, but yeah, pretty straightforward. I didn't even really need, I brought a knife. It's actually a wine opener. Didn't really need that. So keep an eye, subscribe to my channel. I will be playing with these in the next week or two, and I'm sure I'll learn more. I'll share with you what I learn. And probably I'm anticipating this boat trip to take me about 2 to 3 weeks. So I'm going to try some new things every day, try and learn some tricks, and I'll definitely share anything I want learn with you. If you want, I will quickly take you for a little walk through the boat now. If you want to do a quick tour, let's check out this boat that I'm on. So this is a 52-foot vessel. Brand new. Here I am in Chicago. There's a refrigerator out here, a grill, wet bar, sink. Lots of refrigeration there. Microwave, 2-burner stove, dishwasher. Kind of lost without my gimbal. That's the table I was sitting on. A station where I will be spending most of my time. The boat does have autopilot, but on the Mississippi River I won't really be able to use that much, which is where I'll spend a lot of my time, on the rivers. First forward bedroom. Stateroom. Twin beds. In these closets there's washer and dryer. Master stateroom. So 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Awesome party shower there. So yeah. Subscribe, watch my other videos. I'll share what I find the next couple days.